Hi, I'm Dwesi with Mirathut Public Library, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a phone holder out of a toilet paper roll. Okay, so you're going to need a paper towel roll, a pair of scissors, and a pen, pencil, marker of some sort, unless you want to freehand it with the scissors. So what you want to do is flatten the roll lightly. It doesn't need to be perfectly flat. And then we are going to mark off about where we want the phone to sit. Do that about halfway. And do where we're going to cut in. And then we are going to mark back to make kind of a slope. It doesn't have to be perfect. We'll trim it up at the end. Okay, so then you cut along the lines that you made. On both sides. Just like so. And then we're going to fold these down. Okay. So now I'm going to test it out. I'm going to put my phone on it, see how it goes. Oh, it is not wide enough. So pop those back up. Trim a little bit more. And fold those down, little flaps. Now, okay, phone fits now. But it's not quite as, I don't know if you can see the gap, but it's not quite the way I'd like it. So I'm gonna trim it up a little bit that way. So, there we go. So now you can decorate it however you want. You can use paper, paints, markers, tape, using decorative tape wicks. Thanks for joining me for this.